G'day everybody, Steve aka TUD. Just today unboxing the XRS Connect GME UHF CB, which I'll hopefully fit to the vehicle today. Anyway, I'll try to do this one-handed, so we'll see how we go. To one side, that comes off. Let's have a look, see how it is. There you go. Nicely packaged. That's the, sorry about the zooming. I'll take that off. That's the body of the radio. Just a little control panel, internal speaker. Put that there. So it's like the microphone assembly where basically everything is. It's on the back. Right, there's your microphone. Not the world's best videoing this, sorry about that. Anyway, here's the gear that's in it. Not 100% sure what everything is. Instruction manual. Extension lead by the look of it. Power lead. Mic hangers, mounting screws, mounting bracket. Hopefully we'll get this into the car today. Anyway, that'll do for now. Cheers.